Hey, Rainier. Rainier, where are you? Hey, get over here. Get over here. You don't belong over there. Ah, this dog. It's raining, but I need to let him run around. It's not his fault that I have to work all day. It's my fault that he has to be stuck in his kennel all day. I don't mind getting wet. It's the getting dirty part that I mind. Come on, pick a spot. Go potty. Go potty somewhere. Come on. Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go. He always goes over there where I don't want him to go. And I'm not fast enough. Hey! Get over here. You know better than that, I think. Anyways, this is pretty much what it looks like most of the time living out here. Rainy, cold, and we get a lot of flooding. It's just great for the earth. Just gotta, this is boot season. I gotta start wearing boots. Yeah, so just gotta wait for Rainier to pick a spot to pee and poop. He's finally started lifting up his leg. He never used to do that. He's a real boy now, aren't you? Hey, hey, get over here. Thank you. Oh, this dog. Straight over there.